I saw sparks.
Ow.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Okay, after we got it in here to figure out what happened, well, I'll tell you what happened. The belt shredded for one. That's a given. You could see it smoking on that video. But if you look, well, it won't move now because I've got that new bolt in there. But we'll get this around. Where's our set screws? Yeah, that's right. They left the chat somewhere. So, imagine the chain kept it on somewhat, but then when that belt wrecked, it popped the chain off too. So, as you can see, I just looking through some odd and end bolts that we had. Well, I got some of these bolts. I don't know how good they'll do, but we'll find out. We'll get this thing put back together. Something interesting that happened before we got here to work on it and stuff. They took and picked the field, so we'll be able to rip this thing through the field and actually really open it up, see what it'll do. We got it all put back together now. First things I'm gonna do before we actually take it out and ride it, I'm just gonna do an oil change real fast on it. We was running either 5W30 or 1030. I can't remember if it was 5 or 10. But I've got a bottle of 5W40 Royal Purple over here. And as much hell as we're putting this thing through, a 5W40 might be just slightly better for it. Especially because we break this thing every time we take it out. Okay, so me and Asher was talking about it a little bit. You see we got the oil draining. Oil looks good. But you see here, yeah, that stock muffler's got to go. Like, we can't leave shit alone around here, I swear. So it just so happens I've got this laying around. Yeah, rip me on it and stuff. I know it's too big, but guess what? The exhaust is going to take the path of least resistance. So if I cut it off right there at the top of the muffler and weld this sucker to it, it's not going to try to go down and out. I mean, sure, some will, but 90% of it's going to come out, and I'm going to hack this thing off right here and stuff. So yeah, we'll show you what it looks like here once we get it. I'm going to pull it off, hack it off, take and weld it on and bolt it back up. It may work, it may not. I don't care at this point. But that stock muffler's got to go. All right, so as you can see here, I got it all cut off. I got the welder getting ready to be set up and stuff. I'll weld it up and show you the finished product. All right, so here we go. We got it all welded up. It's still a little hot, as you can see. Well, welds ain't the greatest, but yeah, it's got it. You can't really see down in there, but it's got it welded pretty good on the backside too. I mean, hell, we ain't breaking off. Ain't moving. So we'll get it on the go-kart. We'll get some oil in her. We'll fire this thing up, see how it sounds. Okay, well, here we go. We got oil back in it, and we got the muffler muffler reattached, which is more like straight pipe. I'll get good old camera woman out here to help me, and we'll fire her up and see what it sounds like, and then we'll throw a belt on it and get it out there and give it a rip. All right, so here we go. We're gonna hear what it sounds like. You want to go over to that side, Asher?
Nah, almost out here.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little loud. There we go. Okay, so as we were doing the test ride on it, which unfortunately I ain't got my camera set up to, me ride along with Asher, and give a POV, which, my welds ain't the greatest, but you know what? They'll do for now. I was kind of in a hurry. That right there was a giant gaping hole that I sealed up, and as you can see, it is a little wet from where I cooled it off, but it's all one solid piece now, so it shouldn't fall off.